So see children, practice set 6.3, question 3. Construct triangle XYZ such that XY 6.7 cm, YZ 5.8 cm, XZ 6.9 cm. Construct its incircle. Here you have to construct incircle for triangle XYZ. We can see that for triangle XYZ all three sides are given. The first step, we will construct triangle XYZ, right? Let us see that, and then we have to draw the incircle for that. Let us see the rough figure for these children. Now see the rough figure. See now. Now see there is it's a incircle, right? So we draw a rough figure for this. Okay. Well children, this is the rough figure, okay? Triangle we can mark it as X, Y, Z, right? Incircle means circle touching all the sides inside, okay? X, Y, Z, okay? Triangle. Sides are given XY 6.7 cm, 6.7, YZ 5.8 cm, 5.8 and XZ 6.9 cm. Now how we draw incircle? For incircle, we draw angle bisector. We have to bisect any two angles. So we can take angle Y and Z, right? Suppose we bisect this angle Y, okay? Angle Y is bisected, okay? And angle Z we can bisect. Any two angles. Bisecting these two angles, right? You get this point. This point we can mark as I. I stand for in center, okay? I stand for in center. And from this point I we can draw the radius. Perpendicular we can draw from there. That is radius, it's called radius, IM, okay? And you can keep the rounder on point I, take distance of IM, okay? And you can draw this in circle. Well, this is the rough figure we have drawn, children. Let us go for the actual construction. Now how we do that? First we draw YZ, okay? Let us see YZ now. Base YZ we draw 5.8 cm, okay? YZ 5.8 cm. Now next we have to construct this triangle. See children, using the rounder. Now we can take XY 6.7 cm from the scale. We can take distance of 6.7, okay? Okay, from here you can take from this point Y, okay? You cut an arc of 6.7, right? And then XZ 6.9, okay? Now take 6.9, distance of 6.9, okay? From Z 6.9. See now, and we construct this triangle, okay? Join this is point X. Okay, so we got triangle XYZ, okay? 6.9 cm, 6.7 cm. Now we go for drawing angle bisector. We have to bisect any two angles. So we can bisect angle Y and Z. Let us go for bisecting angle Y. See how we do that? Okay, keep the rounder on point Y, you can see now, and take some distance, okay? Small distance you can take, see here now, and cut the either sides, say XY, and you can mark on YZ. Okay, so this is how we draw the angle bisector. Now keep the rounder on this arc, extend this, okay? Let it be out of the triangle, okay? And from here you cut the arc now, and then from this point also, okay? So we have drawn the bisector of angle Y. See now, do it very carefully. Getting in circle is very important, okay? Now we go for bisecting angle Z. See that now, same step. Okay, see now, cut the arc here. Here also you can do. I repeat once again. See now, from Z, mark arc on the either side, then keep it on this, extend this also. See that now. So we have bisected angle Z. Draw the ray. Okay. So we got this point, children. This is point, you can mark as point I. I stand for the in center. Now from this point I, you have to draw, perpendicular on the base. Keep the rounder on point I. See that. Keep the rounder on point I, and from then you on this base, okay, you cut two arcs on the base. See that. I repeat once again. Keep the rounder on point I, and on this base adjust in such a way that you are getting two arcs. See, one arc I am getting here, and then other arc you can get here. See now, cut the keep the rounder on point I. On the base you can cut two arcs, 1, 2, and then keep the rounder here, okay, and below the base cut the arc from here and from this point also. You can see that, okay, and draw the perpendicular. See this way now, you can draw the perpendicular. Mark this point as perpendicular sign, mark this point as M. So here IM is the radius, IM is perpendicular, well this is the radius in radius for this to get the in circle. Now see children, what we do after this. Now I'll keep the rounder on point I, and take distance IM. Okay, see now, I to M distance you can take. See now, okay, and you can just adjust that so that you can get the in circle. See, sometime in circle you may not be getting perfectly right. It's okay. For that lot of practice is required. See children, now I have taken distance from I to M, right? I to M. Now let us go for the in circle. 1 meter. Okay, let us go for the in circle. Do it carefully, you will get it. Yes, see, almost we got it here. Okay, almost we got it. Okay, so this is the in circle, children, we have drawn for triangle XYZ. Okay, you can construct that.